Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys one of my favorite hair textures, which is the Yaki hair texture. Now you guys know I love this texture because it looks so much like African American hair and it is full of density and volume. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to style a Yaki texture wig and make it look like it's growing from your scalp. So first thing first, let's go ahead and put the wig on and check out the hairline. So the hairline looks really good on this wig and the density on this wig is amazing. When I went in and plucked the hairline on this wig, I noticed that the density was perfect for this type of texture. The density is 150%. Now one thing with kinky texture and Yaki texture, which is very thick, coarse hair and looks absolutely beautiful in its natural state as well as its straight state, is if you do too much density, the hair will look really full and it will almost give off an unnatural look because it's so full. So I really like the 150 density on these type of textured hair. And by the way, this beautiful Yaki texture wig is from OMG Queen. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of that extra lace off, girl, because it is all in my way. And I am using the Got2b Glue hairspray to secure my wig down today. You guys know I'm not a fan of glue, so if I want my wig to, you know, be melted, I use the Got2b Glued hairspray. So I apply about 2 layers all over, and I apply this directly on my stocking cap because this stuff is pretty strong and I don't want this to like damage my hairline, so I make sure I apply it on the stocking cap. And then once I do that, I just take a comb and I comb everything backwards, making sure the product blends into the lace. And then I go in with a blow dryer on low heat. As I stated previously, Yaki textures is one of those textures that everyone needs to have in their wig collection. So here is a close-up of the hairline and the 150 density on this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fullness of it and I love how it's giving off a natural look without doing any type of pressing out. So you can definitely wear this wig in its natural texture, or you can straighten the hair as well, and you're still going to get a very full, beautiful, natural look. So today I am going with a middle part, and just look how beautiful that parting is on this wig. One of the reasons why I love OMG Queen hair is they never fail with the density on their wig. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with the Yaki texture or have never tried a Yaki texture wig before, I want to show you guys the close-up of how the texture look. Now as you can see, it looks really full, but it has these little small crimps on the hair. Now you will see me a little later in the video straighten this hair. And now that I have cut off most of the lace, I'm going to be going in with the Got2b Glue gel. I have a love-hate relationship with the Gorilla Snot. It's just a little too, I don't know, messy for me. So I'm not doing any baby hairs with this look. I'm just going to push the hairline straight back using the Got2b Glue hair gel. I'm not using a whole lot because I don't want the hairline to look stiff. And also, if you do apply gel on your hairline when you're doing your baby baby hairs or just styling your hairline in general, it is going to give you another layer of hold. And this is what the hair texture looks like once it is straightened. As you can see, you still get that volume, but those little small crimps is still visible in the hair. Now, they're not as visible compared to the earlier clips where I did not straighten the hair. But as you can see, it still looks pretty good with the hair. It's not really that visible unless somebody is really all up in your head. But like I said, I like this texture because it looks so full, especially on bobs. So now is the takedown moment. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap my scarf and do a little bit more to this hairline and cut off a lot more of that lace. And I'm going back in with a little bit more wax, and then I'm going to apply a little bit more heat to the hair. Now, one thing about OMG Queen, like I stated earlier, they know how much density to put in their wigs, and they know the proper placement of their density, which I think is so important because some companies have 150 to 200 density wig, and most of the density is in the hairline instead of actually in the hair. So OMG Queen has pretty much mastered where to put their density in their wigs. So I'm going to finish off the look adding some spritz just to make sure those flyaways stay laying down and flat. And then I'm going to go in with some oil sheen, and I am going to finish off the look, girl. I love this bob. I love this texture. Love the thickness and the fullness of it, and just the body of this wig. So everything that you need to know about this wig and how to purchase this wig, as well as coupon codes, will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next wig video. Bye.